Hey everyone, in this video, I want to go over week 1 and module 1 activities. And when I'm done, I'm going to post a video right here under module 1 overview video. First thing I want to start off with is that in addition to all the things to complete under module 1, there are also other items to take a look at before you get started. First thing would be your homepage. So when you land on the homepage of our marketing management course, you're going to see links at the bottom. First thing here would be the course introductions, where if you click on that, that'll take you to our module or our start here module, where there will be several items for you to take a look at. So course overview, instructional materials. So that'll give you information about the textbook, for example, and other items. So one that I want to point out especially would be this Ask the Professor discussion forum, where if you click on that, you'll see that it's a space for asking questions throughout the semester. And then there's also the coffee house, which is also one of your links in the homepage. So this coffee house discussion forum would be a place to ask your classmates for assistance, for idea sharing, and support. Other items or other links on the homepage would be the syllabus. So ensure that you take a look at that. Then familiarize yourself with the technology that you will need to work in this online environment. And then here's our introduction discussion. So in our introduction discussion forum, you'll see information about myself. So I added a few things about myself, as well as an introduction video that I use in all my classes. And then here's some information about getting a hold of myself, how I will respond to your emails. And then I am available by appointment only as a result of me being far away physically from the university. I do want to make myself available 7 days a week to arrange time and method of meeting. One thing about this schedule and appointment link is that it will give you information for business hours, my availability. But if you should need to make arrangements for other times outside of business hours, for example, on a Saturday or even a Sunday, or really just after hours, even in the weekdays, it would be a matter of emailing me and requesting that. And then on top of that, there are instructions on there about what to post for your initial post, and then also replying to 2 of your peers at least. So that's the home page. And then I mentioned right about going over your start here module. And then now that brings me to module 1. Module 1 gives you a module 1 overview page where we have our learning objectives. And then that page that I was just on is the preparation activities page, which lists out all the different things that we have going on, all the different course materials, for example. And then you already saw our discussion board items. So there was that Ask Your Professor, there's the coffee house, and then this link will just take you to that introduction discussion. And then you have an assignment to complete. It's preparing a SWOT assignment, and I'll let you read through the details in Canvas right here. Going back to the preparation activities page, you'll see that there's an ungraded getting to know you kind of activity where I ask you 5 questions about yourself. So please complete this so that I can get to know you. And then in addition to your readings, chapters 1, 2, Appendix A, and then chapters 3 and 4, I provided the PowerPoints that went along with the textbook. I will say that it's not a substitute to reading, so please ensure that you read the textbook. And then here's additional information on what marketing plans are all about. And then as you look at the other items under module 1, you'll see that it'll just be the same things that are listed in the module 1 overview and module 1 preparation activity. So that's just kind of how it's set up in Canvas. And then one thing to note, so I'm looking at this as the instructor, is that I do have it set up for you to have to complete your start here items, to mark those as complete, all of them, before you can see module 1. All right, that's what I have for module 1. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions.